Dear students, as I have described use of GMS in plant breeding, and you have seen the problems of hybrid seed production on GMS based. But of course, this GMS is helpful in producing the hybrid seeds in those crops where you require less quantity of hybrid seed per unit area. Say for example, in tomato, in brinjal, where the quantity of seed per unit area, the requirement is very less, as well as for hybrid seed production. If you are emasculating one bud and pollinating one bud by pollinator genotype, so you are getting hundreds and hundreds seeds by touching only one bud. But you see in rice or in wheat, if you are touching one spikelet, one bud, you are getting only one seed, and the requirement of seed in rice or wheat is very high. Hybrid seed is very high, but requirement in hybrid seed in brinjal or in tomato is very less. So because of that, the requirement and the production by touching only one bud, you are able to provide the hybrid seed to the farmers even on manual emasculation and pollination basis. What was being done by the private companies to provide, of course, the cost of the hybrid seed will be very high, of course, since the requirement of seed is very low. So farmers, the advanced farmers are using them. But at the same time, private companies have seen the benefit of GMS based hybrid seed production, which has reduced the hybrid seed production cost it has reduced much, because if you are using GMS system for hybrid seed production, you can understand, I'm putting the example in tomato hybrid seed production, how it is going to reduce the cost of hybrid seed production as compared to the manual hybrid seed production of tomato. You see, a variety of tomato has been made GMS. As you know that there is problem of maintenance of GMS. You have seen, once you are maintaining whatever seed you are getting GMS seed, in that 50% seeds are male fertile and 50% seeds are male sterile, which you cannot differentiate while maintaining the GMS lines. So here also in tomato, the same case. Here whatever you are growing GMS in another plot, the GMS tomato in other plot, and the normal another variety, the normal pollinator genotype in other plot. So what you are doing earlier, when GMS was not being used, the private companies were using the laborers to emasculate this plot and pollinate these plants by pollinators of this. So emasculation is very tedious. If you can avoid the emasculation, you can reduce the cost of production very high. Here you see So what is happening? 50% plants are small ms, which are male sterile. You are not knowing. By seeing the seed, when they are grown, then only you can understand that these are the plants which are small ms, and which are the plants capital MS small ms. Capital MS small ms are the plants which are fertile. So you have grown in one plot this GMS, in which you are at the time of flowering of the tomato, you are observing the first bud in the plant, in every plant. So in every plant you are touching the buds, the first bud you are touching, and you are finding that, oh, this is male sterile, means small ms. You bag the whole plant, no problem. And whatever plants you are observing, you bag the plant, but you remove that bud on which basis you have observed that this is male sterile. So you remove that, and you whole plant you bag it to avoid the unwanted pollination. So likewise in whole the plots this is the plot of GMS. Other plants you are leaving as such, which are capital MS, small ms. The fruits coming in those plants which are capital MS, small ms, male fertile, let it be sold as a vegetable tomato, not hybrid seed tomato. It will be sold. So there will not be extra burden of roguing of male fertile plant. So this is one. Of course, you have observed the male sterile plant, small ms, you have bagged it. Now you are taking pollen grains from here, and you are pollinating all the bagged buds, small ms. What you are going to get by small ms, you are going to get whatever seed you are harvesting from here, whatever seed you are harvesting from here, that will be capital MS, small ms. This will be F1 hybrid seed. This will be male fertile. This will be given to the farmer for cultivation, crop cultivation. So this is the way you have avoided the emasculation. Of course, earlier it was being done, the emasculation as well as the pollination. Now by using GMS system, you can avoid the emasculation, which is very tedious. Of course, the removal of 50% plants, which is also not being done. Of course, the wastage is also checked, that all the male fertile plants are used as a vegetable tomato. So whatever left hybrid seed, you are getting the hybrid fruits, and you are going to have the seed from those fruits, and those seeds will be capital MS, small ms. They are male fertile, and this seed is being given to the farmers. So I have already described how you are maintaining these GMS lines. I have described the maintenance of male fertile line. This is not restored line. You don't require the restored line in GMS system. So any variety is doing well with combining well and giving good heterosis, can be utilized as a male parent in hybrid seed production program. So this is all about the hybrid seed production in tomato. Now I will be coming in next video about the few topics left in GMS system. Thanking you very much.